Is Toastmaster Prashant Sri. I'm pretty sure there will be a lot of takeaways for the upcoming ADs and they will be having a successful year ahead. Now, I request there will be a feedback form which will be in the chat box. So please give your feedback in that form as well. Now, moving on, maybe an individual or an organization success is decided based on their financial prudence. And to give knowledge about Toastmasters Financial, we have a person who has 35 years plus experience being a chartered accountant, and he is going to give us the information about Toastmaster Financial to us. And speaking of him, he has been a Toastmaster since 2004, and he was a chartered member for four different clubs, and those clubs include Chennai Toastmasters Club and a club in District 121. He is currently the parliamentarian of District 120 and the past treasurer and the past division level governor at the year 2007 to 2008. So with this extensive bio, I take great privilege to welcome distinguished Toastmaster Abraham Zakaria to the stage to share about the financial of Toastmasters.
Thank you. The usual question, am I audible and visible?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Can you see the slide?
Yes, sir.
This is what a poor man said about the finance. Okay. Hello, am I with you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This afternoon classes are very, very challenging. And Prashansi has rightly said that Abraham is going to have the fun, he said. So that reminds me of a story. There was this professor who was taking this afternoon class, and he asked the students, suppose you are going to die in the next 1 hour, what do you want to do in last 1 hour of your life? That means you are going to die after 1 hour, and during this 1 hour, whatever you think it is possible, wherever you want to go, everything is possible. But after 1 hour, you are going to die. One person said, sir, I want to be in Miami Beach with my fiancée. Somebody said, I want to be in Switzerland with my loved one. Another person said, sir, no. Other person said, sir, I want to be in your class. Hey, this is too much. Everyone is saying something nice things. Why do you want to be in my class? He said, sir, I want to die while I am sleeping. So I am very positive this is going to happen. Or rather, Sadir is there. You should not listen. Let's not happen that. Okay, let's move on to that. And you have taken 5 minutes of mine, and 5% of the reimbursement will be cut for that. Yeah. Right? Okay, friends, let me jump into the program as such. Finance, as you know, I was trying to tell you the accountant knows only the price and not the value. So with this note, I must say, we are trying to get into the budget of the Toastmasters. So whatever membership fee we get, we pay, only 25% of that is given to the district. Out of that 25%, only 75% we can spend. That means 25% will be of that will be kept as a reserve in the district. So here you can see 18.75 of the membership fee you pay is only can be spent by the district. There is a deadline for submitting the budget that we'll be working out later. And with the budgets, once we submit, it cannot be revised again. Okay, these are the very, very important areas for a division governor and division director and area director. So your reimbursement, allowed expenses for reimbursement, claims only after spending it. And the whole thing I'll explain to you, but please note that you have to spend, then you can claim. This is something called reimbursement. Of course, we might review this, that is different. Maybe we'll do it later. Now, venue is permitted. Non-copyrighted printing and photocopying. See, copyright books, you cannot copy it, and that is not reimbursable. But otherwise, you can copy it. That is payable. Traveling. For ADs, it is only 2 club visits subject to other conditions. Stationary, online meetings, OTP and contests. That also, I understand district has two Zoom we have, that we have to talk to district level, district officers and find it out, and where their availability. That division directors can tell us about that. Trophies are permitted. Renting our audio visual are permitted. And for division and district conference, refreshment is permitted. What is not permitted is personal mobile bills, liquor and other entertainments. For area contests, no meals and refreshments. Fees and wages for Toastmasters. From the morning itself, everyone was saying, well, Toastmasters is a voluntary organization, so we cannot take any fee. Some of us are spending more time than the office time with Toastmasters. Copyrighted materials are not permitted. Trophies or plaques without TI logo, it has to be ordered only from Toastmasters International or TI approved areas. So these are the reimbursements. These are the reimbursement permitted. These are the ones not permitted. Moving on. Who is eligible? Trio, division directors, area director, extended team members, coach mentors, subject to approval of the district director. District director has to approve. Then what is the mileage you are getting? You have get prior approval from district director for distant club visits. And this year, I understand Gayatri was saying from the morning, they are planning to set up more clubs and other places. By the time, bus train tickets cost will be reimbursed. Area directors up to 2 visits will be reimbursed. That is their visit, formal visit, inspection. On vehicle, rupees 15. This is what one last year same will be continued unless there is a revision done this year, because you know the petrol charges are going up and you will see that. Minimum you have to travel, if it should be a minimum 40 kilometers away and maximum is yet to decide. This also we can review it. That is with the trio and others we will decide it. Mileage should be supported with a copy of the Google Maps. If more than one district officer is traveling in the same vehicle for a distant club, only one claim is reimbursed. Basically, we expect everyone to pool the car and travel, not that you visiting you, VIG, each one can take one separate cars. That's a basic idea. Reimbursement procedures, within 30 days, you must claim it. And there is a new system just come in last year. Some of you must be knowing it. It is Concord tool. See, whatever you do, whatever you spend, you can scan it and you can use this tool and you can claim it. So it comes to the district, then district will forward it to the TI and you will get directly from TI. This is one good thing about this tool. And one thing, please note, the TI is giving directly to the member and not to the vendor. Directly to the member, this area director or division director, and not to the vendor. But in some cases, supposing you have to book a hall for 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs or 50,000 rupees, if they reimburse to your account, maybe it's a problem for you. So in such cases, you can opt for paying directly to the vendor. Then we have to have certain details about that vendor and other things. We will come back to that later. Or please always treat the hard copies of bills till verification of Toastmasters International audit and finalization of the district accounts. Whatever originals that you have, please retain it, because we have to, maybe they might ask at the later stage, please keep it. Only paid bills should be produced, not that advance. You should finalize, you complete all the payments, then only you please produce it. Bill should contain name and address of the company and GST code and other things as applicable. Please ensure that these are there. So what are the eligible areas? For area contests, 70 US dollars are permitted. Either $70 or actual expense, whichever is less. If it is above $70, we will pay only up to $70. If it is less than $70, based on your actual expense on production of expense vouchers, we will reimburse it. And for division contest, 300 for the first year, 500 for the second, that is November, December, and March, April. And what you can charge is only 350 rupees. This is what we planned earlier. This year, we are not sure what is going to happen. Anyway, this is a thumb rule we have been following for quite some time. Revision may be required, we will do it. Coming to the OTP, no charges are permitted. And for that reason, we will give $75 and $250 for first and second term respectively. These are the basic expenses reimbursed from the district. Claim by area, division, and TLI. Claims for division conferences, judges training program, emergence, Toastmaster Leadership Institute events need to be forwarded with the following documents: income and expenditure statement. Very simple, all receipts and payments, nothing else. Scanned copy of original bills. That is very, very important. Original bill. District will fund deficit amount only. If you're collecting something, district will not reimburse everything, only the deficit. What is shortage only will be reimbursed from the district. Surplus, if any. If you have any surplus, it has to be returned to the district. So basically, the club, area, or division cannot take that surplus. It has to be returned to the district. It is not district 120 rules or guidelines. It is a Toastmasters International rules we are following. That's the guidelines or protocol we are following. So here is how, it should be. Here we are making our claims like this. Don't worry about all these big things. You have time. Yes, all you have to do is you take the originals, scan it, and put it in this Concur tool. That we will tell you how to do it. Very easy. Then finally you go through various stages, like any other government procedure or bureaucratic way. It'll come to, finally it comes to, in the money you will get in your credit. In your bank account, you will get the credit. So that is a big relief for district as well as for the member, because you don't have to wait. You don't have to keep on asking us. So you will directly get the credit. Provided it is used to claim. If you are writing a vendor's name, then it will be paid directly to him or as directed by you. It will be reimbursed. No problem. Okay. Okay. For this purpose, this you can zoom it and find it. And I can send you another copy by email to all the division directors. They can send it to you. Very simple. All you have to write the name and other things, bank, expenses, amount, whatever possible you write. Of course, what is required most important is the date, your position, your district, your division area, and what is your position. Then it will be sanctioned by the district director and the finance manager, and we will reimburse you. This is only a format. I'll send it to the division directors to forward it to you, a clearer one. You can scan it and print it. You can type it and send it back to us when you have a click. This is very important. Please note, you would have come across one like this, the petrol bunk or departmental stores we would be getting. That is not permitted. You have, if any claim, please tell them, ask them to give it in a hard copy in this format. So ask them. They'll give you. They know that it is companies, they are not allowing this because after some time that get faded, it will go away. So we have to have this. Here I want to tell you one thing. Here you see 500 rupees advance was given. This 500 rupees, we will not take that. When you make a 500 rupees advance, we will not pay. You pay 500 rupees and order everything. We will pay you only 1,200 rupees. So ensure whatever is the advance you have to pay, you take care of. But finally, you make the claim for 1,200, which we will pay. I hope this is clear. I'll give you time for asking questions. Only reimbursement of expenses, no advances. Please note that. If at all we have to give an advance for a bigger amount, we will give it subject to permission of the district director. All claims to be routed through Concur. That is very easy. It is easier than getting it from the district finance manager or district finance team. Very easy, because you will get the amount credited in your bank account. All claims to be approved by the district director and the finance manager. This is a protocol by the Toastmasters International. Area and district events, adjustments to the budget for the area division contest will be made based on the COVID situation. You know the situation now. Budget for the first day may be, underlined, may be restricted to online meeting expenditure only. This is what all of us are looking forward to get this COVID over shortly, but we know the circumstance where we stand. And generally, Toastmasters International is discouraging creation of assets, barring gadgets like stationery for meetings and other things. Otherwise, no creation of assets even by club, it is not permitted. And speechcraft by clubs only. Uniform fees, that we will decide and we'll announce it later, because of the decision has to be taken by the district on this. Bank accounts of district and clubs only. See, if you read Toastmasters manuals, you know only bank accounts are permitted only by district and clubs. International, district and clubs, only three areas where you can have a bank account. If at all division is permitted, sometimes you read the rule book, it says division is permitted, but division account is part of the district account. So whatever is amount there, you have a collection. That is the idea. So bank account, we have Federal Bank. See, you go approach the Federal Bank. Federal Bank will open bank account for the clubs. That's only bank opening, because we don't have a PAN number, income tax PAN number. So in such cases, my suggestion is that wherever there is a club has to open an account, please ensure that this is opened in the joint name separately, not in your regular bank account. The issue is that one person, the club which I am a member, is there is a fat amount that is in the name of one person. So there is a very, very risky amount. So please ensure that this is in the meaning of jointly with the 2 or 3 people. I suggest President, VP, and the treasurer or secretary. It has to be in their name, and 2 of them should be the signatories. That is, ensure that. I'll answer all the questions you asked. So then there is a metrics for monitoring that this is my predecessor, Saro, has prepared it very well. I found it very useful. We'll tell you how, we'll take a statistics and tell you how fast it can be reimbursed, and the rejection rate also we can say. So it is a statistics so that you know that we are on the track, on the same line, or number of claims processed versus number of claims submitted. All the statistics, basically statistics, will be useful later, not now. Now you may not understand, you may not know the importance of this, but over 2-3 claims, you will know how fast we are doing it. Where is the bottleneck also, that we can tell you. Okay, friends, we have come to the close, and this is my team. You can see all of them, most of them are having the name A. It is not intentional. By default, I have taken them. The names are all A. And now you can ask me questions. Hello. I went fast because we had to make up 10 minutes time. But you can ask me questions.
Sir, Vikram here.
Yeah, tell me.
For example, we are saying that Federal Bank, we can open the bank accounts for the clubs.
Yes.
And if President, VP, and Treasurer can be holding the account as a joint one, and then 2 signatories can be made. But after 6 months, the roles will change, right? Or 1 year or 6 months. Whether we can go and revise it in the bank, whether that is allowed. respect to federal
Yeah,
bank?
but we have no choice but to go and do it. Otherwise, we'll
Yeah.
have the same. So I tell you, I must confess that something not happening over the previous office bearers are continuing to operate the bank account. It is also happening.
Correct. Thank you.
Yes.
Hi, Abraham. Good
Yes.
afternoon. I have a quick question. So we have a capping for, your OTPs and
Yeah.
contest.
Yeah.
But do we have any capping for probably the area director
No,
visit? and
only
etc.?
capping for the.
For the area director visit, you said 2 times it is allowed. So
Oh,
what is
okay,
that?
okay.
Do we have any capping on that?
See, capping is only for 350 rupees for the district conference, nothing else. But
Okay.
OTP, it is free. It has to be free.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
So for travel, we have given some 14 rupees that we may revise it because the petrol, ever since it has gone up, we may revise it. Shortly, we will come back to you about that revision. No capping as such, but the kilometer you run, all these we have to calculate. And basically, it has to be approved by your division director, then district director, and the FM. We see the calculations and I'll present it to the district director for his final approval.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah, one more question.
Yeah.
Sir. It's like I'm from E4 and I have club within Chennai and also in Bangalore. Is that we can claim the amount for area director visit? If not, I am not able to make it. Can it be done by assistant area director? Is there any norms to that?
No norms written as such, but district director with the district director recommendation, yes, it can be passed. No harm in doing that because I went to one place for conducting OTP, not now, long back. It was permitted by the then district director. That okay, you go there. It was not in Chennai. It was not. Then it was India was part of the whole thing. In 82, I went to another state, so it was permitted. Only thing you have to get permission. That will naturally you'll give.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Oh, no other. I think everyone is happy with the reimbursement or. Hey, Srinivasan, you want to ask something?
Yeah, so I had a question. So this is regarding Toastmaster being a non-profit organization, right?
Yes.
Do we see any best practices in terms of advising the clubs to square off their balances at regular intervals while maintaining a healthy cash balance, right? In the interest of running the club.
This is one major challenge for every club, even for district. It's a big challenge that suddenly, we were spending at least 3,000, 4,000 rupees every week, and suddenly we stopped it. But we have not reduced the collection, so that most of the clubs are having, community clubs are having a fat balance. There's a challenge for the clubs because they are keeping, some of them are keeping in the name of a person or the treasurer or the president's name. That is a challenge. So that maybe in the coming years, maybe this year by end we will be spending some money. That is all. To be very frank, I am also very clueless. Even now, forget about me. Even the union the finance minister is also getting confused because the challenge, they don't know what is happening tomorrow, isn't it? So we cannot take a decision today because we don't know. The people say there is a third wave, so we have to anticipate all this. So we'll see, and maybe we can review it after 2-3 months. We will have the next ExCom. We can review it. The district council, district ExCom, we can review it. Or one-to-one, we can also suggest. I am very happy that no one has got any doubt.
I just want to make one update on the Concur thing.
Yeah. Yes.
I have been one of the most heaviest users of Concur this time, and compared to the earlier process, which a lot of you might be aware of, where you had to submit the bills with the expense statement, then it used to go to an assistant FM here, then it used to go to Sri Lanka, and then it gets approved, then the money comes into your account. All of that is now very, very simplified. If you just log into Concur, and Concur is nothing but SAP. So if you log into the screen, you will see the SAP Concur come up. And that's what TI uses for all its accounting globally. And we have been one of the first districts outside of the US to start using Concur. So thanks to Saro, who kind of followed up with TI and ensured that we got the access to use Concur. And everybody of you will be getting your login IDs on Concur. Anybody who's going to upload a expense statement. And if you go and use that, it's pretty much simple. You upload your statement, type out your statement, upload the receipt, scan the copy and upload. It goes to an online approval. So it gets approved by FM. Then based on the value, it will go either to the district director or PQD, or PQD is not available, district director or CGD. So depending on the value, it will move through that workflow. And then it goes to TI and automatically the money comes into your account. So if somebody has spent on Zoom license, for example, and if the value is in dollars, and when you enter from the credit card statement that this is the value you spent in rupees, exactly the correct amount of rupees comes into your account. And you can see the narration also, it says Toastmasters International. So it is very clear for any audit purpose. If you want to submit, it becomes very clear. And the entire process, right from submitting to the invoice to the payment coming in your account happens within 15 days because TI also has got a cycle, so nothing gets held up anywhere. And I found it to be a very, very seamless exercise. And I think more of us will start using it. Okay? And the best part is, since it is going to TI, they already get all the data with them to do all the analysis with respect to the budget and everything, because all the expenses anyway straight away goes to them rather than somebody creating it here and sending it on an Excel sheet to TI. All that is minimized.
One good thing, friends, it is getting in INR, Indian rupee. Earlier they used to send reimbursed by dollar. Then there's an exchange confusion and rate and other things. Now that is also not there. You spend 1,655 rupees, you will get 1,655 rupees in Indian rupee. That is something very, very convenient for us. So any other questions? Because I don't want to take time. Yeah, yes, please.
So one question.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Go ahead.
No, I just wanted to ask with respect to Concur. So if we already have the same account, okay, Satish has answered that. So the same account will continue, right? Won't log into
your bank account. You can continue your bank account.
No, she's asking about the
Concur account.
Concur account.
The user ID will continue. Okay, so that's not a mistake. Yeah.
Good question. That is a learning for me also.
The user ID will continue.
Well, I am yet to open the Concur.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sudeep.
And so this is.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I have a question regarding the metrics that you were showing at the end of the slides.
Yeah.
So will I be able to look at the metrics as what we are climbing as division?
Metric, that is a statistic we'll update you on a periodically that there is a lot of pending is there, reimbursed so much, claims are there, pending there, because vouchers didn't get, or whatever is possible, we will try to give you. Or one-to-one also we can give you your claim.
Just to understand the turnaround time of the clients, is there any process that's being set out for the division directors to understand about the rate of processing or pending list of?
Yeah, we periodically we can send you the total percentage, but individually you have a problem, definitely we'll answer it. Individually we'll answer it. I have a big team, you would have seen, yeah.
Individual is fine, but if you can help us with systematic updates.
Yes, ma'am. No issue. You tell us my claim is not. I will tell you because of this reason it is getting pending. That we can update you. No issues. Yes,
that said, even that is not needed now because in Concur, if you go, you can see the status.
Exactly.
Right? If you have approved it, in fact, last year we had payments done in 1 day without Concur. Because somebody entered, the approval happened, everything was set, the person received the payment on the same day itself. Okay, so
who is
that is-
authenticated in this tool? Like as a DD, will I be able to see
no, you will not be.
FM and DD.
Only the FM district director, and in some
Okay.
cases, if the value is more, then the PQD also needs to approve, the PQD or the CGD.
Okay.
So approval limits in Concur, even in normal case, even in TI,
Okay.
when you are having the bank account, there only the signatories can do the online approval.
Got it. So maybe if the metrics can be regularly shared.
Oh
with
yeah,
us,
yeah.
whatever
We can update or individually we can give you. Or any one last question because my time.
Abraham sir,
I
I
have
have
one.
Yeah.
yeah, I have put it in the chat. Maybe once if the time is up, you can check and reply later.
Okay, okay. Venu, you have a doubt?
Yes.
Yeah.
My question is, some clubs are struggling with, because of the pandemic, they are having the financial crisis. They can't afford to buy a licensed Zoom ID. So how we can expect the support from district in that case? Any possibility or?
District is having 2 licenses. It can be used with the district. We have to adjust and district has to give us permission, and we can use it. District will definitely open it as well. Clubs, I'm not very sure whether they give it to the club, but division they give. Maybe through the division director, you may have to. Isn't it, Sadish?
Yes, sir. I mean, the basic understanding, if you look at TI, also says district is not allowed to fund club affairs. Okay. So effectively, if it is a district license, you cannot give it to the clubs, technically, right?
Okay.
And because their TI is very clear, if it is a club, the club has to fund for itself. Okay. So that's very clear. We have been offering it on a, I would say, humanitarian grounds because we know the situation right now, but ongoing, it may not be possible. We'll try our best with the licenses we have, but it may not be possible.
Well, in case of one special meeting or something, we can request.
Yes.
Yeah.
Even today we give.
Yeah.
Even today, if it is free, we give. Okay, so, but only for special meetings or if you have a joint meeting, but not for running the normal club meetings.
Sadish, very careful. Venu will have all meetings, special meetings. Okay, friends, thank you so much. So,
and sir, one more thing I want to update. One more thing I want to update everybody is from this year, or this practice was there even earlier in some districts, but this year onwards, TI is offering the district director a credit card.
Okay.
To be used only for TI expenses. So what happens is today, if I am charging all the district Zoom licenses or the bulk email or all the marketing campaigns that run, if it is used by my credit card and then I'm putting an expense statement and TI is paying me, with this credit card, all of that will go away. So the district director can use that credit card for any district expense and then straight away charge it to the credit card. So the entire intent of somebody uploading an expense statement or getting it approved is not there because TI will straight away get that information. So this practice was there in some other districts who were using Concur. Just because we started using Concur from last year, they have extended that facility to us. Okay. So that's going to, we have to apply for it. But I would believe that that takes a lot of stress away from doing all these expense statements and submitting it and then getting the reimbursement, answering the auditors, all of that goes away. You charge it on the credit card, TI will automatically get whatever details you have used the credit card for. But they have made it very clear to be used only for approved TI expense heads. So I can't use it for my personal expense and then tell TI, oh, my credit card wasn't working, so I used this and now I'm repaying it back. All that will not work. Okay.
Thank you, Sadish. District policy, people call me daddy of the club because of my age. So the policy is before you ask, the answer is no. And that's very common everywhere. So, okay, friends, thank you so much. Over to Toastmaster.
Thanks a lot, distinguished Toastmaster Abraham Zakaria. You explained everything in a way each one of us could understand. And it is only in this session, there were a lot of questions, which clearly shows that a lot of people have benefited from this session. So thanks a lot. Now that we had 2 back-to-back sessions, it's time to take a small break, energize ourselves, and come back later. Now, before that, there will be a feedback form, and don't forget to fill that form as well. So come back after 15 minutes, make yourself energized, and see you then. Thank you.